Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Dodge Charger with 79,000 miles, and it was for sale for $26,000. And that was outside of my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. But this was a couple of years ago. Said, don't bother calling the number. I'm sure it's long gone by now. It was definitely a good-looking car. All he had on the for sale sign was the year, the miles, and his phone number and the price. But it did not have what engine it had in it. I'm going to guess it probably had the 318, judging by the price. Could have been a 361 or a 383. It's hard to tell. But it was definitely a good-looking car, being red. But I wanted to show the vehicle, so I figured somebody out there would like to see it anyway, even though it's I'm sure it's long gone. And if you're not familiar with the Chargers, 1966 is the first year for the first generation, which just lasted 2 years, 1966 and 1967. And then 1968, they went to the second generation Charger, which was a totally different car. And the cars had a 117-inch wheelbase, and they were 203.6 inches long and 75.8 inches wide. And in 1966, they offered 4 different engines. The base model had a 318 5.2-liter two-barrel, then the 361 cubic inch 5.9-liter two-barrel, the 383 6.3-liter four-barrel, and the new 426 Street Hemi. And only 468 Chargers were built with the 426 Hemi in 1966. But the total production was 37,344 units for 1966 model year. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Dodge Charger with 79,000 miles that was for sale for $26,000 a few years back outside of my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And I thought it was a great looking car and a good price. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.